Hi guys, and a warm welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you some techniques which are great for hooded eyes. This area around here, but particularly here, that area that can get quite loose and saggy as we age. So let me show you the first technique, making sure you've got lovely clean hands, taking 2 fingers and thumb, and we're just going to pinch all the way along the eyebrows. So we're going right down into the muscle here rather than pulling the skin out. So you always want to work to your own level with everything. That's super important. Let's take that again, just gently coming across. And you can do that one for up to about 1 minute. Next technique, you're going to take your 2 index fingers, gently bring them under the eyebrows and gently lift the eyebrows up a little bit. You're then going to close the eyes gently against the resistance of the index fingers, and you want to feel a little shake or a little pulse, and you want to hold there for 10 to 20 seconds. Feeling that shake or pulse, that's how the muscles are building in strength and tone. So relax and contract, and then you lift off and you take that again. It's a slight lift and it's a gentle close, hold. Don't forget to breathe in and out through the nose. Nice long deep breaths as you feel that little shake or that little pulse. And release, and again, gently lifting up a little bit, gently closing down, breathing nice and deeply here, and then just gently release down. So they're my top 2 techniques for that area around the eyes. If you'd like more information on face yoga, you can go to faceyogaexpert.com. Take care, bye bye.